Hey, this is Flight 7734 going to Toronto. We should be arriving there in about 2 minutes. Sorry, everybody. That was my co-pilot speaking. He's kind of new. He kind of has a high-pitched voice. If you've seen the Doofy and Megan videos on YouTube, it sounds a lot like him. Yeah. Yeah. I like those. What? I don't think that I should be flying the plane. Why don't you think that? Because I don't know where I'm going. It's alright, you Doofy. Okay. If you've never landed before, I'll show you how. Okay. What you need to do is look for a landing area. Okay.